G'day guys, Adrian from Lifestyle Adventures Oz. Cheers for coming back. This time we've got 4WDetail car cleaner, chassis shield. Got a Karcher foaming gun, didn't buy the one that they've got on their website. So we're just going to give this a test and review and see how it goes. Pajero Sport. She's not clean. Definitely dirty under there. We're going to see the chassis there. I'll have a look underneath. Bit hard to tell. I'm in the shade because they recommend cleaning the car and doing everything in the shade. You can see the underside of the chassis there. So we'll give it a go and see how she scrubs up. First up, we're going to wash the car up and down, up on top and underneath with salt exterminator. Then we're going to salt seal the body. Then we're going to chassis shield underneath. Got our thing. This one says 100 mils to 1 litre. So let's get into it. Alright, as you can see, chassis, all the front components, suspension, under the wheel wells, it's all been hit. All up underneath. We'll wait 5 to 10 minutes, as it says, out of the sun, and give her a clean off. We'll see how she looks. This is exciting. There's not really any reviews on YouTube. There's a couple of ones, but nothing much. And 4WD Drive 24/7 are doing a pretty hard promotion on it at the moment, so that looks good on the videos. So let's see how it's going to look. It was about 70 odd bucks delivered for the 3 1 litre packs. Spray nozzle for the chassis shield. I used 200 ml then for underneath. So we'll see how it goes. Done it all behind the wheels, all underneath. Looks like it's only been a couple of minutes and that foam looks bloody disgusting. So it's biodegradable, eco-friendly. Alright, so I've done the underside everywhere I could think of. Still got about 100 mils in there, which is bloody good because I only put 200 in there. Just giving the wheels a quick hit along the side steps. I'm going to do the whole car, but I thought I'd just try and get the underside components done at the start, and then we'll do the top. So I've hit the wheels. Geez, that's black. Across the side step. So it's looking better already. I can see it bloody coming through. Giving it a clean off. Not as good as what I was anticipating. I mean, it's clean. We'll see when we... it looks pretty good. Maybe because it's wet. I definitely need to see once we put that chassis shield on there. So next job, give the car a wash. rinse it off. Give it a quick wipe down with I use a brand new clean cloth, I think, this, but it's come up looking real good. So I'm going to rub off just so I don't get the water streaks. Like they asked me to do on the packaging, but so far so good. Looks bloody good. I'll clean it off and then we'll try the next step. Alright, time for the salt seal. Giving it a good shake. I've poured 50ml into my 500ml container with water. If I need to do it twice I can, so I've got it here ready to go. Last coat. We've got a bit of cloud cover, so we're out of direct sunlight, so let's give it a crack. Alright guys, salt seal has been put on. Gotta say, it looks bloody good. It's a really easy application. And I did no scrubbing. Only thing I did, it was manual, was use the gurney and wipe down the water residue with a clean cloth. She's looking $1,000,000, the little mountain goat. If anyone thinks these cars can't go off road, they're wrong. Done a fair bit of work to her. 2016 Pajero Sport. Oh, bloody frothing actually. This is a really good looking clean up job. And the best part is, no hard work, no scrubbing, no scratching. Pretty bloody happy with it, guys. Wasn't sold on it after that first salt exterminator wash, but now that she's all done, it's bloody beautiful. Pretty stoked with that actually. Alright guys, next morning, chassis assured time. Gonna quickly get under there and show you what the chassis looks like before I spray it and after I spray it. Alrighty guys, I've just done that little bit there. Alright, whole car's been done underneath, used quite a bit. That's how much we got left out of 1 litre bottle. Bit of a bastard to be honest, spraying up from underneath, but you're spraying under your chassis, so what do? There's only one real way of doing it. So I'll give you a quick look how it looks now. Looks bloody awesome. It's got a bit of an oily residue, almost sticky but not really. Done all through up under the other side, up under the back. Pretty happy with how it looks, to be honest. Yeah, really happy with how it looks. So we'll see. We're going to hit the beach in a couple of days and see how the sand flicks off or sticks on, or we'll give it a crack and we'll see what happens. Pretty excited to test this one. pretty satisfying snowing your car, gotta admit. Righto, I'll keep doing this and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, next morning, giving it a real good once over with the salt exterminator. Underneath, up on top. Looks bloody beautiful, no scrubbing. It's like a bloody brand new car under there. Very happy with it. The only thing I will say is I used quite a lot of chassis shield. Spraying the chassis, which is fine. Probably got about as much left as what I've got in here, so it's a couple 100 mil. And I've obviously got a couple 100 mil left in this. But I don't go to the beach often, and when I do, I'll definitely be buying a 4-wheel drive detail. Highly recommend, guys. Get yourself some, protect your car. You'll love yourself. Thanks for watching, much appreciated. Go get some.